Hello, and welcome to Pipeline Safety. Before we get started, let us introduce ourselves.
Hello, I'm Kayleah.
Hello, I'm Fynn.
And I'm Robbie.
In this short video, we will show you the importance of pipeline safety.
Let us start by talking about pipeline signs. Most pipeline signs can be found along the side of the road. Those signs show the area where the pipelines are located. A major problem is that people usually think that the pipelines are directly under these signs, but that is not always true. They can be located anywhere within 25 feet of the sign. Before digging anywhere, whether in your backyard, out in a field, or even digging a hole for your mailbox, you should always call 811 before you dig. 811 is an emergency number to call before any digging can be done. Once called, they send out a team of workers to mark where exactly the pipeline is laid. The lines can be anywhere from 20 inches to 48 inches underground. Call 811 so that you won't have to call 911.
Another precaution pipeline workers have to do is to wear special safety gear. This includes fire-retardant clothing and gloves, a helmet, goggles, or safety glasses, steel-toed boots, and ear protection. While on the job, these workers also have to wear H2S monitors. These monitors warn workers when H2S levels are too high. Before workers go out to a job site, they must take a job safety analysis. This is so that they are aware of the safety hazards prior to arriving on the scene.
Another thing to take note of is that there are different kinds of pipelines. The most common kind are gasoline pipelines. The second most common are the petroleum pipelines. Another observation is that there are different sizes of pipelines. Most of the pipeline's diameters vary from 8 inches to 26 inches. To clean and check the pipelines, workers use pigs. These objects are called pigs because when they go through a pipe, they emit a loud screeching sound that resembles a squealing pig. Different pigs are used for different jobs, such as unblocking, finding damage, and clearing the pipelines. Many pipelines run along the strip of land, usually about 25 feet wide. These are known as pipeline right-of-ways. In order to maintain the right-of-ways, pilots must fly over them for inspection every 21 days. Sometimes ground inspections are also done along the right-of-ways to make sure they stay clear. The right-of-ways must always be kept clear to allow the pipeline to be safely operated, aerial patrolled, and maintained.
Many problems can arise when working with pipelines. One of these problems is corrosion. Corrosion is the deterioration of a material, usually metal that results from a reaction with its elements. Since most pipeline is in contact with components such as air, water, and soil, pipelines are susceptible to corrosion. Another problem is erosion. Erosion is a process by which soil and rock are worn away by wind, water, or ice. There are three primary methods used for managing exposed pipeline. The first method is to restore the ground that is around the pipeline and also to give the ground some stabilization. The next method is to lower the pipeline. This is done by digging a trench on the side of the pipeline and lowering it down into the trench. The last method that can be used is to completely replace the pipeline or to replace and then move the pipeline to a new location away from the eroded area.